Hey there, in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to allow Chrome extensions to work while you're browsing incognito mode. It's super simple and it will only take a minute or two. So by default, Chrome disables all extensions when you open an incognito window. That's because extensions can technically track your activity and incognito is meant to be more private. But if you trust an extension like an ad blocker or password manager and you want it to work in private mode, you can totally allow it. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots. That's the Chrome menu. From the drop-down, hover over Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. That will open a new tab showing all the extensions you have installed. Now scroll through the list and find the extension you want to use in incognito. Let's say it's your ad blocker. Click the Details button under that extension. On the Details page, scroll down a little and you will see a setting that says Allow in Incognito. Just flip that switch on, and that's it. That extension is now allowed to run even when you're using Chrome in incognito mode. One last thing to keep in mind, when you allow an extension in incognito, it can still see your activity during private browse, so only enable this for extensions you fully trust. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.